All right, Dirty Sports Cards here. We are doing a box here for Kyle Mancub. 2016 Donruss Soccer, man. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Let's do it, man. First time I pull a multi, if we pull one. Thought we should get into that Futera break, man. 32 bucks. Serial number break. That soccer stuff is nice. We only have 5 spots from that one left. First box of the mini case. Well, there's only one medal per case. Not too many medal cards. They're pretty tough to hit, those medals. All right, good luck, man. Royce, Berg, Howdis, Lasana, Messi, Robin, is Jado, Luka Modric, Ronaldo, Bale, Kovacic, Lewandowski, Cavani, Neymar, Kevin Prince, Guardado, first die cut to 149, Diego Alves. Diego Alves to 149. 64 of 149. Robin Van Persie, Royce. Thiago Silva. Jesus Corona. Paco Alcacer. Neuer. And Ricardo Montalivo. Lucas Alario. Ventura. Neuer. Griezmann, Musa. Hector. I am Zlatan. Teo. Jerome. Varane. James Rodriguez. Patricio. Schneider. Philip Long. Alaba. Messi. Juve. Shalini for Juve. Is Molden, Blodden, Wesley Schneider, Jeffrey, Axel Witzel, Ezekiel Garay, Marco Royce, and your autograph, nice one, Edison Cavani for PSG. Second one. Edison Cavani. Give it to Howard. Morata, Iniesta, Anderson, Carlos Baca. There's your box, Kyle. Appreciate it, man.